And well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. I wanted to check in and see how everything was going, what you guys had closed, and making sure that it's popping up in the CR in the Opta as well.
Okay. Let me see. We closed 28,629, and I got a $4,000 deal pending right now. There's 24,600 net.
Okay, awesome. The 24,600 net, was that from the first week, or was that part of that from this week?
That's through the whole thing so far. Looks like
okay.
We are 3 of 6. Yeah, we sold 3 out of 6 leads we've been on. So.
Okay. No, that's awesome, man. That is awesome. Because the reason I'm asking is that I know the first week we did the 1,750. Because I know from the 1,750, I know that there was an $18,000 deals that were closed that first time. So I was just trying to see what the ROI was on that first. On that.
We got 2 more sales since then. Just one hasn't gone net. I think it was just from today, though.
Okay, fantastic. So essentially about sitting at a 14x return. And then we'll see, obviously, because now we have the monthly there, and we got, still 23 days left for that. Right. So hopefully should get a lot more sales coming in through there as well. So, no, that's fantastic. That's fantastic, man. I just wanted to, I just wanted to check in and see, what we were doing on the ROI and making sure the ROI is still, really good for you guys there. But I'm glad to see that you guys are still closing deals.
I want to see what these guys can get out of this.
Absolutely. No worries at all. Well, yeah, thank you so much for your time, man. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you guys are getting more of the ROI, and I know you guys are working those leads for sure.
All right. Sounds good.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time, Tom. I really appreciate it.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a blessed day, man. See ya.
Good.